This category we're going to hear now about YouthPOP. So let's check out their video.
Hello everyone, we are YouthPOP team and this is our Oriented to Young People YouthPOP platform. Are you looking to upgrade your skills? Are you looking about trends in job sectors? Is relocation for your new job necessary? Are you a young entrepreneur and you are looking for the probability of your success in open contracts? YouthPOP project combines linked open data with machine learning technology to develop a new tool that empowers young job seekers who are looking for trends about skills or about job sector, and young entrepreneurs who are looking to maximize its success to public procurement contracts. If you are looking for potential new clients, new partners or potential competitors, YouthPOP will simplify the access for you. Our team consists of Konstantinos Marangakis, undergraduate student at Technical University, Sofia Lusa, architect engineer, and Michael Marangakis, electrical and computing engineer. YouthPOP plans to be one of the indispensable EU platforms focused on young people.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. EU authorities spend more than 1.9 trillion euros every year in sectors mainly such as construction. However, young people face many challenges trying to find reliable info about open contracts or about markets, since this info is scattered to each contractor's website or hidden into big data. Additionally to that, young people, the lack of connection between young people keeps them away from valuable shared knowledge. As a solution, allow us to present YouthPOP platform, which aims to simplify access to info, make partnership easier, allow networking, and of course, maximize the success in bids. To achieve that, about 3 million contract award lines, 2,000 skills, and 20,000 occupations are combined in order to feed YouthPOP components that we will see. But who are the YouthPOP users? Marina is 24 years old. She's an architect engineer. She currently owns a small medium enterprise and she's visually impaired. Paul is 25 years old. He's a civil engineer and he's currently looking to upgrade his skills. Both of them are interested in countries working or relocating in countries like Germany, France, and Belgium. Both of them are interested in offering engineering services. Marina and Paul can check the trends for the main CPVs, for the most popular contractors, for the most popular bidders, for types of contracts, and of course for contractors' activity per country. The visualization method is the same. For example, at CPV case, the user can zoom and see the total number of contracts per CPV. Users can also search for a country. Keeping the most popular CPVs, we are going to connect them with the skills, the occupations, and the degrees. Again, Paul chooses his favorite CPV. Starting with this CPV as root node, we introduce keywords based on CPV titles. If Paul chooses one of these keywords, then the skills from EcoASPI are coming, and of course the corresponding occupations. These last nodes are linkable to suggested degrees from Europass platform. In order to estimate the success probability, we're going to use contract award notices and we're going to train a probabilistic Bayesian network. After that, we pass each open contract through this trained network and we receive at its output the success probability per specific user, for this specific user per open contract. Let's see that live. We list one open, at that table, we list one open contract per line. This list is updated daily and it's coming for the countries that the user has already chosen, which means Germany, France, and Belgium. Marina can see the success probability as a percentage, and she has also the ability to save the contract to calendar in order to bid in the future. At potential partners or competitors, Marina can see the company of the name, which is partner or competitor for each contract CPV. She has also the ability to hear alternatively the name, and she will be redirected to business page of YouthPOP social network.
What is YouthPOP? YouthPOP presents a popular to young people social network named as YouthPOP. YouthPOP is a fully functional social network where young people can connect to each other through invitations that can be accepted or rejected. YouthPOP is focused exclusively on public procurement issues. The users can upload and share contracts info, they can search for partners or advisors, they can network and collaborate, share a contracting community, and they can chat through synchronous or asynchronous ways. Also, the users can create their own business page where they can present their company. They can upload videos, share an event like a datathon, create an open poll, and publish it. Benefits of the social network are professional and social, for example, in common bid to notices, and personal through online meetings. Since in many contracts relocation is necessary, we present basic info about income parameters and quality parameters for the countries that the user follows. We all understand how important it is for young people to have the basic info about the countries, the quality of life of the countries that they plan to relocate.
For future work, we plan to enable automatic translation of each open contracts info in young users' native language. We plan to provide the ability to export reports focused on youth, and we will develop a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence, which will guide young people to bid in existing e-procurement platforms. Of course, we're going to add a job-seeking feature which will connect the job ads, the CPV, and the employee skills as we saw through ESCO API. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. And of course, there are the questions. Now, we do have a question again from the jury member. How do you measure the feature potential of success in the contract? What's the metrics for that?
The network that we have trained is a Bayesian network, and it consists of nodes. The first node is type of contract. The second node is the value of contract. The third node is does the authority country is identical to user country, which is a very important node. And the final one is, the fourth one is if the company is an SME company or non-SME company. So we pass each open contract with its parameters through this network, which is trained based on the data, and the exit actually is the probability of success in percentage.
We've got another question asking, could you clarify what tools you're using for cleaning data? This question of cleaning data has come up with so many of our finalists.
Yeah, excellent. I guess both of the questions are excellent. First of all, we cleaned the data by removing duplicate contracts. Also, we removed the contracts with missing info. And we did it through data processing, especially using Perl programming language, and of course, opening, cleaning mainly the CSV files, the historical data.
And then finally, how can people access the app, have a look at a demo, direct them to where they can do that?
Tell me again, please, sorry.
How can people access it? Where can they see a demo? Online?
Of course, it's online.
That's
Our
awesome.
site, both of the sites are online and fully functional, and we invite people to see them.
There we go. We've got the slides up there. So for those asking online how they can access, the details are there. Thank you very much, and
Thank you.
good luck.
Thank you.